Hello everyone, welcome to Industrial Electronics lab number 7. So in today's lab, we are going to interface a temperature sensor with Arduino Uno. So the aim of the experiment is to interface these temperature sensor with Arduino Uno. And the second aim is to observe the value of the temperature on the LCD interfaced with Arduino Uno. So we have to first interface your LCD with Arduino Uno and then interface the temperature sensor, and we'll read the reading from the temperature sensor and display it on the LCD. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Now, let us begin directly and we'll come back to this 16:2 LCD. Yeah. So first of all, why Arduino Uno? Arduino Uno R3 is a simplest microcontroller board. It allows you to control various electronic devices and elements. So let's begin. We will be performing this experiment in Tinkercad. It's an open source software by Autodesk. So let us proceed with the login and the sign in. So let me open a new Google page, and here I can type Tinkercad. So if you're doing for the first time, follow this step. If you have already logged into Tinkercad before, then you can directly click on login. So I've clicked on Tinkercad. Next, the website will open up. You have to enter into that website and then log in with your email ID. So I've clicked into Tinkercad. So it has taken me to www.tinkercad.com. And here, if you have already worked with Tinkercad before, you click on sign in. So you can sign in with your Google account. So it will ask for the email ID. So I can click on that. I have used it previously, so it will directly log in and take me to the dashboard directly. Okay. So this is how you can, it's loading still. Yeah. So this is how you can enter into the dashboard. And from here, dashboard, click on circuits and then click on create a new circuit. Fine. So we have logged in and signed in into the circuit. So we have clicked on the circuits and created a new circuit. Fine. And next step is to import Arduino Uno R3 board from the components, and then import a 16:2 LCD and register from the components. And finally, we will import the temperature sensor TMP36 from components. So let us begin with importing the Arduino Uno. So let me again go back to the screen. Yeah. So here you see all the basic components are over here. From here, I will select Arduino Uno and paste it onto the screen. Yeah. And next, the LCD display. So for the LCD, we have to select the components. Here it is basic, right? So we have to click on all the components. So I'll click over here, I'll click on all, and from here I will type LCD. So 16 cross 2 LCD has come up over here, and then I will paste it over here. Fine. So this is my 16 cross 2 LCD display. Here you see very carefully. Fine. So now what we will do is we'll describe the pin, all the pins of your LCD, right? And let me just minimize the screen, adjust the screen so that it's visible. So I've already imported the Arduino Uno and the LCD to the main workspace. Now let me describe this 16:2 LCD pin functions. Okay, so this is how your LCD will look like. Yeah, this is how the LCD will look like, right? Now it has 16 pins. So what are the 16 pins? We'll look into it one by one. Here also I've drawn it on the left hand side in OneNote, and here you can directly see in the component mode, right? So let us go by the functionality of the each pin one by one, and let us proceed. So pin number 1 is the ground pin. Pin number 2 is the VCC, it's the power pin. So basically 5 volt is usually given to this pin. Pin number 3 is the contrast adjustment pin. So you can adjust the contrast of the LED of the LCD. Okay, you can control it by connecting a potentiometer. So if you connect this pin directly to VCC, it will be displaying maximum, contrast. Then next we have is pin number 4, which is register select pin, right? So if you connect it to logic 1, it will select the data register. If you select it to logic 0, it will connect it to command register. So this is about RS, that is register select. Next is read write bar. So if you apply a logic 1 to this pin, it will be in the read mode. Logic 0, it will be in the write mode. So usually we write onto the LCD. So normally this pin is connected to the ground, read write bar. Then next we have pin number 6, which is enable pin. It will basically enable your LCD module. Then we have the pins from DB0 to DB7. So it's from pin number 7 to 18, 7 to 14. So these are my 8 data pins. Okay, so LCD can work in the byte mode. That means you can use all the pins together, all the 8 bits together, or you can use it in a nibble mode. In nibble modes, the top 4 bits will be used first. Okay, let's say from DB7 to DB4 in this manner. And then we have LED anode. So LED anode is pin number 15. It's the anode of the backlight LED. And this is LED cathode, pin number 16. It is the cathode of the backlight LED. So these are the various pins of your 16 cross 2 LCD. Okay, the 16 cross 2, the name will be clear very shortly. Basically, it will have 16 rows, 16 columns and 2 rows, right? So now let me go back to the main circuit workspace, right? So next, we have to connect this LCD with the Arduino Uno board. Okay. So next step is we have selected the Arduino Uno from the basic components, and also we have selected the LCD dragged onto the screen, and now we have to connect them together. So for connection, this is the connection diagram given to us, right? We have to follow it. Correct. So let us begin. So let me maximize the screen over here. So let me expand the connection diagram. So here you see the connection diagram to interface this LCD with the Arduino Uno. So basically most of the pins are used. Pin number 1 is the ground. It's connected to the ground pin of Arduino Uno. VCC is connected to 5 volt. V0 is connected to the ground for maximum contrast, and read write is also connected to the ground. So let us do this first connections, and then LED plus we have connected a resistor to 5 volt, and then LED minus we have connected to ground. So this is done. This R1 is of 220 ohms. So basically this is my current limiting resistor, right? So let me begin with the connections. Let me keep it in the minimized mode so that I can maximize the workspace. Okay. Okay, I'll keep it in the minimized mode. And now I will start with the connections over here. Fine. So I have my Arduino Uno and LCD screen. I will slightly maximize so that I can do the connections very, very smoothly. Okay, let me adjust it properly. Yeah. So now I will start with the connections. So ground will be connected to the ground pin of your Arduino Uno. So here are the power pins. So I'll select from ground over here and connected to the ground pin of Arduino of your LCD. So here it is. To follow a syntax, basically, follow a distinct color code. So for ground, we will use black color. So from here, I will select the black color. Okay. Now, which all other pins are connected to the ground? Pin number 3. So V0 pin is also connected to the ground. So how will I do the connections over here? Let's just see. So here I will take the wire from here and I'll connect it to the ground. Okay. So here the connection is made now. Fine. Next, what else is connected to the ground? So your read write bar is also connected to the ground. So read write pin is over here. This also will go to the ground. That means it is in the right. We can write into the LCD, write the data into the LCD. So here I will be connecting it to ground because it's V0 is connected to the ground. So automatically your a read write pin also will be connected to the ground. Okay. Next, let us see now what else is to be connected to the ground. Pin number 16 is connected to the ground. So this is my LED cathode pin. This also is connected to the ground. So let me take the connections from here and connect it over here. So basically all these are connected to the ground. So I can connect it very easily. All this black in color. Okay. Now let me do the connections of the supply. So let me expand out a little. Fine. Slightly. Yeah. So now I have to connect the VCC pin, I mean the power pin of the LCD to +5 volt on the Arduino board. So here is the VCC pin from here. So here I'll take the pin. Sorry for that. So here I will take the VCC pin wire and power pin and connect it to the Arduino board. Wait a second. So let's connect the power pin of the LCD to the +5 volt of Arduino Uno. So I'll take the connections from here and connect it to +5. Okay, now we'll use the different color for supply. So we'll use red color for supply. Okay, so black color is for ground. So all these things are connected to the ground. And now we have to select a register and connect it to LED. That is pin number 15. So from the components, we have to select a register. So I'll go to the components and here I'll go to the basic. I'll clear this out, search. So I'll take this register and place it somewhere over here, right? And the value of the register have to be given is 220 ohms. So I'll select the unit as 220 ohms over here. Fine. Now let me put it back. So what connections I have to do over here? I have to connect the LED pin number. Let me just drag it over here slightly. Yeah. So I have to connect this pin to, connect this wire one end to the pin number LED pin number 15 LED anode to the register one end, and the other end of the register is going to the VCC supply. So VCC supply, we already know it's over here, power pin. So I can directly connect it to the power pin over here without any problem. So yeah, it's connected now. So register, pin number 15 and 16 connections are also complete. Now let us proceed. Now this is what you see over here, the scenario over here. Okay. So basically these are the normal connections. So even if you have an actual LCD, these are the connections you make.